Magandang hapon po ng Tuesday, January 2, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 2, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for January 2, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.